Hello, welcome to Magical Maidens Reviews. Today I have something from BB Crafts to review with you. So stick around, you don't want to miss it, and we're going to go through it and everything. Now, if you're not familiar with BB Craft, check this out. BB Craft is an online site that has a variety of things to choose from. It has a multitude of different supplies for your jewelry, working needs, or any other crafting needs. If you go over here, you could have a multitude of beads in a drop-down menu, jewelry findings and another drop-down menu, tools and supplies, and if you make them and sell them, you have containers and wrap them and pouches and everything. It's free to register. You could make a love list, which is very easy. Once you click a heart on any of the items you find, it'll take you to your love list. And then when you're ready to order, you just click add to cart. When you no longer want these products, just delete them off your love list and start a new one. The discounts, special sales, so you don't want to miss checking that out. Once you get to the BB Craft site, you could just scroll along and see all the wonderful things that they have to offer. Or you could shop by brands, the crafts that you need. It'll drop down a menu. You could get kits, tools and supplies, strings and chains, and so much more. So you definitely want to click that link below this video in the description box. That'll take you to the online site BB Crafts. BB Crafts has a YouTube program as well. You get free products by doing videos for them, and you'll get a chance if you have more than 100 subscribers. If you're interested, please click the link that will be below this video in the description box when you're done watching this video. Please remember to send some pictures of your crafts so that they might have a chance to be shared on their website when you are finished. So don't forget about that. Okay, so what I got today from BB Crafts is this DIY jewelry kit. They have many other items, but they also have a few different kits. And this is an earring kit. It's Start Your Own Craft Journey by Sunny Clue, because they have many different brands. So I'm going to open them with you and get started. So let's get started with this review. So the box has cellophane on it, which I've already unwrapped for time's sake. Then the kit is in this nice hard plastic container. And I love these containers because most of you know I've done reviews from BB Craft before, and they have a lot of great items that I use. So BB Craft products are very nice, and there's so many of them to choose from. When you go to the website, you'll be really happy to see the variety of different jewelry supplies and so much more from many other crafts. Now, most of you have seen me use BB Crafts products in my jewelry tutorials, or you might have seen my past reviews also with some BB Craft products. So I love this hard plastic, and it comes with a nice flip top, and it won't go anywhere. If you close this correctly, you could drop this and it's not going to crack open and spill out anywhere. So what I got here is this kit, and then we're going to make something using this. So I'm going to just remove a few of the items so that you can see what I have got in this kit. And you get these crescent moons. There's a bunch of silver filigree ones. There's 4 of them. I think they're more or less like this. Yes. And And then there's just 2 of these, which I'm going to use today, and then I'm going to wipe my fingerprints off so they look nice. Then you have some beads, and you have a bunch of different charms. You have different charms. There's hand charms, cross charms, different types of hands, the spikes. And I hope you're getting a good look at this. Charms. They also have these hoops, metal hoops. They have some jump rings in here, and then they have some earring, fishhook, and beads. So let's go through some of them. So look at all the different chimes. This is a pentacle. It doesn't mean bad stuff there. There's little suns. Okay, I'm just going through this so you could just see. I love the little stars. Oh, and look at the little star and moon. That's a tiny moon and star. All right, so here's more of these stars. Let me move this down so you're getting a bit of more of a look. Now I'm going to say this is very good quality upon viewing all of this. And you get a lot in this little kit. I really love these. And you can make little earrings if you like dainty earrings just using the charms. And then they have really mini stars. Like, look. Let's see if they have another one. Then they have a thick moon. These 2. And look at the baby stars that they've got there. And it just keeps going and going. And there's more of these over here. And like I said, it comes with earring, fish hooks, jump rings, and some beads. So it's a whole kit. These rings, these metal rings, and just so you can design what you want to design. So there's a few of these spikes, a few of these hands, and a cross. I don't think there's only one cross in there. There's a bunch of different charms, and it'll all fit in this one kit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out what I want. So I'm going to use these 2 because I really like the shine on them. And I want to make earrings. Very good quality. I'm looking at all this. It's very nicely made, good quality items. So that's the silver filigree. Those are the plain ones right here. And you got all the charms and everything that you need. So upon first looking, I can tell you honestly that I think they're of good quality. I don't see anything wrong with them. And as always, I'm pleasantly surprised and happy with all of the items here. Now, before I start with this video, I want to remind you to look below this video in the description box when you're done watching this, because I will have the link to this product underneath, as well as the link for their YouTube program and BB Crafts site. So please don't forget when you're done watching this video review to look below for all those links in the description box. And I'll remind you again towards the end of this video. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear this up and we're going to do a craft together. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get ready to do a craft using these products I got from BB Craft. Now, I'm going to clean this up with a soft cloth when I'm done because they're very shiny. I chose these over the filigree ones. Now I do have to attach that, so I'll probably need to get a bigger jump ring, but they did give me some, it appears to be some 4mm jump rings, but I'm not really sure. Don't quote me on that, but they're smaller. So I'm going to look for two bigger ones, and I'm going to use these two for the earring fish hooks. So they did give me two earring fish hooks. They also throw in some eye pins. See, eye pins are the ones with the little round, and then the head pin is the one with the little flat. So I'm going to be making these, and I'm going to use the earring fish hooks. Earring. And then you want to put that through the hoop, and then put this through there, and then you want to close up the jump ring. Decide whether you want to add some charms or anything else to that, but I really was going to add that. Now if you wanted to do a little more, you could. And there we have it. We have two very nice earrings from the kit. There it is. It's beautiful. It's a nice quick pair of earrings to make with this wonderful kit that I got from BB Crafts. And don't forget to be subscribed and click that notification bell, because you're going to want to be notified when I upload my newest content, because I have many more products from BB Crafts to do reviews with. So you're going to really be wanting to see those, so please remember to click that notification bell and be subscribed. And don't forget to look below this video in the description box for all the links that I mentioned in the video for this wonderful kit from BB Crafts, and for the BB Crafts site, as well as for their YouTube program. And I'm going to be making more items using this wonderful kit. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did and you know anybody that might be interested in this craft, please share this video with them. I love these earrings. Now I don't know whether it looks good on the black or the white. I think you can notice it better on here. And I'm going to wear these. They're simple, yet they're fun. And then I could always add a charm. I could just put a bunch of jump rings and throw them behind there, and then the star can hang. So there they are. It's simple, it's easy. These are a nice size. See, this is my hand, and then in there. Now, you're probably going to want to clean it up and shine them and buff them, because you will be handling them, so you don't want to get your fingerprints on them. Here it is, one beautiful set of earrings from this wonderful craft. I want to remind you, do not forget to look below this video in the description box, because along with the links to this product, as well as BB Crafts site and the YouTube program, I have my discount code. That's Magical10, MAGIKAL 10. So that'll be below as well. Just in case you forgot what I said, it'll be below in the video description. So don't forget that, okay? So thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this review with anyone that you may think would be interested in this kit. And please remember to subscribe and click that notification bell, and look out for more upcoming reviews using BB Crafts products. Thanks for watching. Bye.